The alternative Digitalk. Real issues, real talk.
Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to the Snap Talk with your girl Teddy Teangel every Saturday right from 6 to 7.
Nakuzino twajirwa flat tami. Tukyayambala ko kugoyo obutukwata.
Wajana ku body shaming. Speak up. Gendo ba confronting gay. Obagambe ekyo kyemukola si kirungi.
Towerabira nti tuli wano ku the alternative Digitalk mukwano gwange gwaliye. Topic kiki wandiyagadde twogereko. Is it about family?
Era kize tata wange amanyera nkola n'obuvunanyizibwa nyina bungi. Era agezaako n'anyamba yambako yanda.
Naye kumukubira kumubuuzaako. Noga mama we bali kunzaala.
Is it outside family? Is it society? Oh, could it be relationships?
Come and visit, call me. Simanyanga I miss you bichi. Especially ngembera y'obudde sinungi.
Naye n'omuntu akwagalira mu season yaba takwagala ze nkubuulira.
Just be commenting nga topic yona gyandiyagadde twogereko tujja kwa tujogera kwano ku the alternative Digitalk ku share enganzi the Snap Talk.
Go to the church, though.
Tawali man, what's up?
Man, can you imagine people just dump everywhere? Someone drinks water and throws the bottle wherever.
Come on, Rogers. What else do you expect people to do with an empty bottle?
Simanya now, Recorder. Do you know that plastics take at least 450 years to decompose?
What? That's a long time.
Exactly. Because plastics are made out of a lightweight and flexible material that doesn't decompose easily. And plastics everywhere in the environment cause plastic pollution.
What is plastic pollution now?
It is the accumulation of plastic waste in the environment, like bottles, polythene bags, straws. All of these contribute to plastic pollution.
I have been using them without knowing their effect.
Yeah, a lot of people have. Plastics are a danger to the ecosystem, both on land and in water.
So how can we overcome this problem? Is there something we can do?
Oh yes, we can reduce by minimizing the use of plastics, reuse by repurposing them, or recycle by collecting and processing them into new products.
Everyone wants to change the world, but no one wants to change themselves for the world.
How about we change our habits for the world?
And it starts with me and you.
This message is brought to you by Alternative Digitalk.
Looking for a pair of shoes? Less Up Stores has a wide range of selection for unisex footwear. We have the best quality of all brands at pocket-friendly prices, and we make deliveries countrywide. Just place your order or reach us on 0772 08 0090. You can also check out at Less Up Stores on all our social media platforms. Less Up, craft your own footprints. Are you craving for that special meal that will entice your taste buds and leave you with lasting thrilling memories? Look no further. Spice Island Bulenga has got your answer. Natural, fresh and delicious juice, the best meals. Don't miss our daily specials from Monday to Sunday. Pizza Wednesday, Saturday Pizza Bonanza, you buy one and take two. Come dine with us and feel the experience. We are located at Prime Shopping Center in Bulenga, Mitiana Road. For inquiries, call us on 0704 11 1720. Spice Island, we treat your cravings.
The alternative Digitalk. Real issues, real talk.
Beautiful people, welcome to the Snap Talk with your girl Teddy Teangel and the two beautiful princesses. It is Saturday again. Mukulike inyo mukwano eyo na jemu abadde mbivulu muna ebivulu byatuwubi ano ku Friday ninjaga bakulisayo nnyo ate nga njaba bakulisayo ne ku share fiyo ku machi ya Dr. Kizimbye besije ababadde ko muna mukula kyamaanyi nnyo naye nga naawe gwe kenyiko nyine ateze tukwebaza data ko waya kasera ko waya no gamba let you be part of this entire conversation because I mean you teach us a lot, we learn a lot from you and we teach you a lot, we believe. Yes, welcome to the Snap Talk. It is Saturday again and we are excited again to discuss about something very, very vital, mostly in relationships. We're going to be looking about love and love how. We have seen people find love on dating apps, on social media or on wherever app you have used that you found what love. And the question is, Chino chiyambyeko love, like has it built love or rather it destroys? It's a topical discussion of the day. Invite your friend to come and, you know, nayaga mwegeke tulabe wamu tujige wamu tulabe how do you help our society, because a lot is happening, a lot is taking place, like I mean technology eri kujja ebintu bingi nnyo, but the question is eyamba oba eri kutusula mu kinya. Yes, let me take this opportunity, welcome the priestesses Wabuzeko, and then we continue with the topical discussion of the day. Let me take this opportunity. Welcome wantandikirewa anyway kantandikire Luwedde eno Omumbejja Buganda buza kwatalo nakolaleero.
Mwebale nnyo okutwekumiraku, mwebale kutugoberera. It's another edition of the Snap Talk. So I welcome you mujje to discuss in dating apps zino zifuuse ensonga ziriko abasajja abamu babatuufu oba bafere simanyi niwe kisinzira mu experience gyalina, but welcome to the show. I am Princess Luwedde Lilian.
Yes, welcome to the show. She's Princess Luwedde Lilian. Princess Farida buza kwatalo nakolaleero.
Abaliko Snap Talk mbalamusizaako kansubire nti boli bulungi. It is a Saturday, solo kweyibwa mwawe ekyokunywa kyobadde tonywedde mu weeki namba. Weteeke maawe kikooko ekinene. Osobola okweteeka mu wine ate munywere waka bw'aba atamiiza ojja kukola ensobi. Naye nga weeyiweemu ekintu osobola kweyiwamu ekikooko awo. Bannange wiiki eba nnene okugimalako abantu abamu baba tebagimazeeko, so gwagimazeeko you celebrate it. You will celebrate the small things. Actually tunaalinda ebinene tujja fanga tetucelebrate nze bintu bingi nnyo mu bulamu bw'ensi eno. So buli katono k'oba ocelebrate nze, I mean k'oba ofunye, celebrate it. It is worthy.
True. Buli katono k'ofunye munaye, celebrate it. I mean, let's learn to celebrate ourselves, because we reach a lot of achievements. Nenga golinda chirimbu wendi beera nga nguze motoka. No. Tandika wosobodde nosasula rent nogamba ha olaba leero nsasudde rent.
Kanewe mchikefu.
Yeah. Welcome to the Snap Talk again. Yes, like I stated earlier, I love apps, you know, dating apps. Okay. Farida, have you been on any dating app before?
No, really.
Lydia, have you been on any dating app? Well, I have been on a dating app before, and I must say I wasn't disappointed, by the way. A lot of things happened there. Look at there, you all look at me.
I am not judging you.
Oh, okay. A lot of things happened there, but it's all about you knowing what you want, actually, what you want. And me, reason as why I was on a dating app, nali kuyaba nganjagala a white man.
Interracial relationship,
yes.
Afro introductions.
Nanjagala white man, because my sister told me about it. Yeah, a female sponsor. So anyway, I was like, let me try my luck to get a sponsor, but I got someone that I don't regret. No, I actually got someone. Yes, he was a little older, but he was okay.
Muzungu, the one
I wanted. I don't regret having been there, and I promise the moment I got him, I tried the app. Yes, it was really good. If you can, and you're not single, to be clear, if you're not single, you can try it out. If you are, if you're single, if you're single, you can try it out. If you're not single, it is not worth it. Yes, me, I was probably being young, but said you said because
you were single.
Was I? No, I wasn't single, but I was having a messed up relationship where, you know,
you were in a situation.
Yes, someone made me feel worthless and all that. So I was like, why not try this
lwaki saagala muzungu
abadugavu balumya nnyo.
Waliyo bakulu bokka obeeriyo n'abavubuka.
Waliyo n'abavubuka. Only that now it depends which app. Kubanga waliyo ne app joina no sasulira, by the way, and for it I was told, I didn't pay, but I was told it has younger men. Because there's always usually
ez'abato sasulira. Ez'abakulu ziri free.
However, but it depends what you want. Anyway.
What I know about Afro introduction is abantu ababeera banoonya ababeerako simanyo baba buyita butya nebo babeera ebbali w'amannya gaabwe nga kuliko akali mu black, akali mu yellow, akali mu blue. So, if you didn't realize,
yeah, I didn't take details.
You need to make research. You need to make research about stuff before you go into it, so you know. So at akaliko yellow, abaya sasula. So he's the right person.
Right. Okay, yeah,
you be talking about.
Yes, yeah.
So kati,
why you're the right person?
No, but
kati boys or yogera naye messages zo aziraba. That's what I know. Naye bagamba nti waliwo goyogera naye nga wosindika message teziraga nga bakugamba ba you upgrade something like that, or you pay money.
It's true, yeah,
by using what
I remember, yeah, walinga wababera basasudde. Neze I personally
sirimanyi tibiraba.
You need to explore by the way.
Nze changano genda ku bintu ebyo kyali ekintu.
Notolina kugenda yo, you just need to read about it.
She has not been there, but she
just
need
to read about it. You know the procedures. Just in case you want to go there.
No kubisa musaya ga kemebwa. Ntitontwala mukemebwa nga tukyogera wali musala. Totwala mukemebwa. Kati nesagala kemebwa nenga why tewetantala. Oyinza okukemekereza ngo ogidownloadinze app eyo ngo badde nayo mu simu n'ogani lwaki sigezaako omulundi ogumu bwe buti.
And I don't think
okusinziira ku biri by'oba osomye eri side ekyokubiri bwe nawulira ebimu ebivaayo ku side nanga naye nedda lwaki neetantala
nga lwaki teweerabirako because I mean I was there but I can't no because I can't accuse them of anything because I was there.
Yes. But there are genuine people on dating
they
apps. Era waliyo n'ababi nga bwe tusanga abantu mu real life nga they are not what they say nga mubi naye nga yerimbise muli so ne ku dating apps kwe
and actually for them they dating more frank
nti bote bakola background check ku bantu abagenda yo ku registeringa nabo okumanya oba emize gyabwe batemu bachi so it is up to you gwanonyo omwagalwa so okwebereramu ngenjogera ya kakati bwegamba nti okay I shouldn't meet this person mu nyumba ye when it is the first time because simanyi anything can happen so you choose a public place so aje and boba muwala you shouldn't leave your country if gobango before he comes to see you just need those tips on you bobanga you going for
because actually even if you have not necessarily been on an app but the fact that you meet someone on Instagram or on what because I mean
it's my friend online.
Yes my friend seeing Lilian on my status nangamba let me say I like her can you link us up and I share your contact you basically also just met this person online
exactly
you don't know this person you know but because katigwe confidence yobero inacha mukwano gwa Tenjo but sometimes nanye sigamambo mumanyi because me I have tons of friends that have not even met physically but we are friends you get so nyizo postinga na kulikinga but nange singambo nange mumanyi but yes we talk online friends so I feel like it's the same and it's my experience anyway it was really a nice experience I joined because of you know the people I surrounded me and I was being
peer pressure
as being young but I don't regret because there's nothing bad I did and on the apps you just have to be frank of what you know what you want because there are many hooligans just like ngola Facebook untediko as many hooligans as possible it's the same with the dating app with what ntoraja kugamba me I want this and for you like no sorry that's not what I'm looking for so you go your way I go my way I look for what I'm looking for as you also look for what you're looking for
nena ulira mbo omuntu akuweereza otuntu tu
Facebook obero lya omindi nakubira you pick up and you know so these things are happening everywhere just that abantu abamu yes I believe I am a Muganda and I believe if Abaganda balabanga it's against our culture you know but also the world is moving so fast as seeing Sheila Gashimaga mambo bintu binyo tugenda okujja ko bazadde fe bakolangedda nga balina bikola a different way because the more we develop the more it will more third world country the more things keep changing so yes I'll tell you more about my experience but let's talk about the facts of the day. Have these dating apps made love meaningful or less meaningful?
Because at times I think they have made love less meaningful. You might be genuine nogenda ku dating app nga bambi oyagala musajja muzungu genuinity in you nge ekuunya nako you are too genuine so you find omuzungu ayagala ku-exploringa black girls and they will not tell you. So you go into the relationship and he has you for a night and he blocks you everywhere. Kakati because now you are a victim. Kati nawo inacho chokopi ogenda kuddayo eri nawo ononyo omulala ochikola omulala. So it has kinengeje kijjunguluddemu omukwano. Kanjogere bigambo biro mu Luganda tubitegere bulungi. Anyo kujungulula omukwano like nti omuntu gosanze talina nange takuwa nnyo ka respect kali because yakusanga online. Like alabanga gwobo wali wetunda
desperate nti
oba wali desperate nnyo gwe mu community wobeera oba mu nsi yo yonna wali tofunayo omuntu asobola kugambako nti wayi nkwagala oba olabika bulungi nnyo so you opted for online for sure that's how people see you sometimes someone will perceive it that way naye nga sometimes nti enaku zino abantu bakola bwe abaana bawala osanga nti akeera ku macha nave we nagenda ku mulimu nave ku mulimu sawa 2 oba 3 nadde ewaka so kati oba weeri meetings ku bantu abakulaba so abantu abaku approaching ababeera batono nnyo atefe we date within the people betubeeramu because those are the people that see you so kati owesanga nti obeera mu workmates ba workmates bo abatasobola kukwana so toyina na budde going out kubanga you open up for people to see you so you opt like as I was kale lwaki sinonyayo musajja online so munayo oyo musajja naye nakukola ebibi wabeera musajja wabeera ya musajja abensonyi agamba wise let me opt for online dating tujja kwogerezaganya by the time she meets me yakuba mfunye ekiconfident ya mfunye ekiconfident kimu confronting mugamba ebigambo byange line walinga nziwawo buyinyi so nti online dating oba zino dating apps zinenge zezijunguludde mu mkwano lulingo omuntu okugamba ekigambo nti nkwagala nnyo nga kizitowa ne kati abaana ebigambo kimbibi I love you, I love you so much, I love you very much, like you do not know who is meaning the statement and who is you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Abamba kayimba akugamba I love you buli sawa and then you like wali ekitali kitu.
I thought you were going to be like shy kona akitegeeza.
Waliwo omuntu omutagama ko I love you naye ngolaba temuli emotion ya energy
you I love you
ngolaba statement ye eri too plain nga it is not carrying any emotion or feeling nga it is too plain ngolaba ajogedde kwejjako like to make you feel better namalaga kugamba you know I love you so much and like now okiwulira akiwandi so bakikuga anga kigambye nenga techiri mo feelings yadde nga kiri too plain nga so kiraga ntakitegeeza but because he wants to make you feel a certain way so he has to say things he doesn't even mean byatamanyi nakosobwa adda wali nagamba naye just mbadde mjagala kumwejjako. That's how online dating is. And there is a way.
Why are you saying that's how it is?
It creates anxiety.
Okay.
Omusajja omufunye yes tomulabangako you do not know oba nakwagala oba he wants
tomanyi nawo otandikira nawo
technically this person is in love with your pictures or you know not with you as a person. Yes I agree.
So he knows the editor the pics bad.
Yeah,
so he thinks you have a very very clear skin munango ina figure nayo ne wedeyo so kakati mukwano the anxiety of him saying I want to meet you and you are not the same person in the pictures like omusajja nanjagala omusajja nangoba obasti so obeera kubunkenke sawa tomanyi musajja akwagala obaki so kankiza tako ne kakutta osanga munanga asaba nokusanga natakwagala I want small babies who are big.
I know.
What big maso.
You lied.
Atinga mkafana nyako.
Yeah, you lied. You can more try editing no jawo.
Yes.
So someone like I'm meeting the Teangel that has the curves and all that only to read.
Haven't you met someone and he's like
you're different in person? That's the worst thing you can ever hear someone tell you.
You're different in person.
And you're like, I'd be curious, be like, how different? In a good way or a bad way? Wakama, no. You're lighter in your pictures and you're darker here. Just like you're just trying to be
light. What your filter? Whatever be man.
No.
Wanga nabasajja bakozesa filters ogena omusajja nganyirira natalina yadde account konna ku face.
Yeah.
Nenga bamutuse ko nga mkwano nogana yiba naye. Ndaba chichichi.
You guys have heard of Tinder? Is it Tinder?
Yes,
Tinder. Do you know that app is paid for?
Oh,
while I was on that, yes,
it's
paid for actually. Just like Odisasulira. Yes. So while I was using that other app of mine, Twaina was more superior than us. Kalinga yetali more of our class, but actually she wasn't looking for a white. Some people affiliate to the fact that Mbobero could dating apps muzungu. For her, she was looking for a black man that would understand her. Nenga rakol manya I want someone with a beard, someone mugged. Yes, so yeah, Sasulira Tinder to get that person. Actually, even blacks are there. I remember going to hostel sometime and I was telling my friend about Nyemba ndi ku dating app ndi awo ntambula sima chano. Nyerere bachali wange aira girlfriend na yemu labayo. Nyani mukula sari kati what happened I saw no app and all that you know. So chenjanga clarifying. Apps usually siga mambo za abazungu boka by the way. Yes, they came up with the apps because they trust building ramuno, but Ugandans have also paid or have also taken part.
Yes.
Me I'm an experience. I mean, sigama moba million ashamed of it. Sigama.
I don't even
regret
because
yes.
Tuina abantu nga bafunye abachala babwe ku Facebook. Nga ba meetinga ku Twitter ne batandika okwengaginga and then n'abamu ba meetinga ku Instagram you look good batandikira ku story ne kagenda ne beyagala.
Most of people
it is a
thing. I've met them online.
Because everyone comes out with a different experience. Wali ababera disappointed. Wali abali mad that like nga omuntu ali serial killer nga ali ku kwezo dating apps. Nga anonya bantu be bakutta akuteka mu musimbi muyitirivu nnyo. They can even bino byetugamba the man should first come to your country. He will come.
True.
He will come to okuseducinga ogende gyakwagala akole kyayagala. So nti tulina kwebereramu nnyo like webereramu nomanyi omusajja ono ali genuine mukoleko ka background check beera tu like monitoring anze njagala nnyo omuntu gwemba simanyi ne bwoba oyogera ku sima I want to hear what you are saying. Bwembanga munkolako program na planning asitegeera. Mbanga enda kulumika essimu yo anything can happen. Mbanga enda kulumika essimu yo muogera ki When muli kunze nenzirayo Lilian you are laughing ebintu bibe
but it's true like a lot
muli kunze nenzirayo
yes atkati aso
bagenda kutanga tomanyinze mbangenda kukolako obukesi bonna mpoza oli yangama mwefola nnyo bambega nzawo mbasiri like ndimo making sure that if I get comfortable with you otherwise if I don't do that I will never be comfortable. Haven't you like you visit someone and you don't sleep throughout the night? Well, chiro chigambo obero otunula.
Yes,
yes, you are scared the whole time because you do not trust this person.
But however, also I think what I would want to say, no meetings are not queer up. Like take time. You people, temo papa, you know, take time. Study this person. Make as many meetups as possible because I know how hard it can be to know someone more songa tobera wamuna ye. But like take time. The first time we met, you know, I saw him. Yeah, the next time nengende uwe. Seriously, met someone once. And for you, the best you can do the second time is kugendewe because anti-babagamba meet them in public. No, take time. Have as many dates as possible in public places because someone can't pretend forever. Ojakuwa omanya interests is omuntu omanye onaliwe bati because I remember one time we were talking about the mugo something like that and that's why I got the mugo and I realized why I broke it off. It wasn't like he was a bad person, but I realized I'm way too young. He had kids already. I didn't have kids, you know. And for him, I dating her just. While me, I was still so young that I wanted to date someone that will marry me and we have a family together. You understand? So we had to go to part ways, but mutually to part ways. So at mona ine achasinga chagala to date just me bafune divorced woman nangefune my future because I mean yes as being young but then nachituna mninga maneka honestly okay where are we going, where are we heading, okay we're
dating for fun
ochegera yes agenda kuwa sente because he's even never in Uganda yes aja kuwa sente but at some point you're going to need a life you as you because as so young as that couple as so young I needed a life and I'm like oh why anyways you can and already naina mfuna apo nga najijamu nabi ngatwa bimala but just to emphasize wabangolya ngwa gwechiganya you can try your luck by the way it is good. Dating apps are good.
No like abana bali mu like mu bulambu ensi muno nga muna eteri ya mugamba konti waye wowe nga simobi
azana kwanga babakugamba ko nenga
nga abakwa approaching nga sibe bantu boyagala so it is okay to go and try dating apps simobi na yobere conscious nnyo osobola okumanya omutufu like oleme kwewayo nnyo kwemala mu nnyo obeera kano ng'omuntu teri aganga abakwa approaching nga siboyagala ate buli bwe tugaana ng'emyaka bwe gikula ate buli mukazi lw'okola ssente ng'emyaka bwe gyeyongera bulwo abasajja lwe bakoma okusemberayo like class y'abasajja gy'oyagala gyekoma okusemberayo nti kati abagenda okutandika approaching nga be bantu b'otayagala botagala because be baliwo now na ayali badde akwagala ajja kutya mukazi yateeka okuba ino omusajja kasa kubeerawo nga talina misajja kweje emyaka bwatyo bwalabika ne ku sente zaina so kumbe you were there very sing
and not searching and just confused. You don't know what to do or yeah or just anyway, Lilian, we understand you have not been on a dating site, but I've told you my experience. And even on air, saying my experience, I used to share with you guys more oftenly what was happening and all that. Because by the way, I dated this person for more than even 2 years. By the way, funny, right? So, no, it's not funny because I mean, it was love. And Farida Ali Awagambi Mbugoga Mambo, what the percentage gamba chononye for you are saying chononye
yeah chononye muko mukwano because kinengije Kijjungulude muko luli banaye ngo omuntu watukiro gamba ekigambo ni kwagala abachiminik naye ku dating app someone will say hi I like your pictures I love the next thing you hear is I love you.
Yeah, I remember someone was
like you wake up to a message on Facebook from someone you have never seen, someone who doesn't know you, and they are prophesying their love to you with a lot of sweet words. You see.
I said, well, sorry, but you're just in love with my pictures. You're not really in love with me as a person. That's what I always kept saying. Like, I mean, I have not met you. You barely know me. You barely know my mood swings. You barely know the way I speak.
Yes.
You know? Intikatuwano compare or maybe ban training and jogera differently. We're in person. Tomanya appetite yange kolete anti nze ndya nnyo golaba kati nichire katikali annyo. You know, you get. So
I know.
You're basically in love with my pictures, not with me.
I have a crush on Facebook since 2017. He does not send me any messages throughout the year. Okujjako ku birthday yange. I will wake up and he marked my birthday. Chirabika bamwaeza ka notification. I will wake up as message yajiweza sawa mkaga okitundu ku musanvu ezekiro. Every year that passes, he sends me that message.
So sweet. That is so sweet.
Simanyi, I do not know. Taina profile picture. I do not know which person he Simanyi na javera. Naye ever on my birthday. Since 2017, Tayosa. Avera tekera ko message.
Bully. Kama money black.
Simanyi. Thank you so much. Tadam. Ko ebeleja.
Mu mwaka.
Tajizako.
Lilian, you're too quiet. We know, anyway, in your view, gwoloboza gwenga atabera nko ku dating site. Given a fact, tobera nko ku dating app, gwababo bafuna probably physically or anything. Gwoloboza senga wali obaddeko ku app.
Facebook can be a dating app.
Yeah.
Most of these apps, singers are like abantu interacting and all that, but they end up becoming dating apps at some point. So tetuchiteka ku dating apps izoka, but also these platforms etubera ko Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and all that. Olya kulaba na kolachi nagamba why I'm in love with you. Nenga ugamba you're in love with me as a girl in love with Omanyi.
Do you know me?
Do you know me? Are you even sure that the profile pic that you're seeing is the person that you're talking to?
Yeah.
Because social media and online and all that is full of fake people. What I mean by fake people is people faking lives.
Yeah.
Ntolia jakuja yekubya akafananyi duli nalaba omukyala nga akaya na tonkubira mu original tokateka mu original. You understand?
Why you take tons of pictures and choose just kawani.
So omuntu agenda okwekubya ebifaananyi wekubya ebifaananyi nga 30. Mwecho ndo jamaa akasinza okunyuma kati akasinza okunyuma n'okatwalira gye bateekeramu filters gye bakajjamu bu pimples gye bakagiramu olukanyanya luno oba olwadde luyita wano ng'omuntu akuliridde gye bakajjamu zino wrinkles eziri waneeno bwe ziti kwegamba oli n'afuluma nga kiwala kito kinyirira kitiba butibi n'agenda akateeka ku social media n'ogenda ogwa
ne bagwirana.
Nola abananga bagwirana actually abamba batandikira mu comments nava mu comments najja nakwa
Naja mu inbox hi I saw your picture you look good can we be friends
actually batandika ekitufa
can we be friends like okay
no gamba okay let me befriend this person but at the end of the day no manya onye kimulese kirabika kiriwa kyekino so these dating apps zali badde nnungi naye obuzibu tetumanyi bantu bagendayo balina bigendererwa ki.
Yeah.
Most of the people abagendayo oli ayinza okuba nga alina nga yawulira nti dating apps zino waliyo kino na kino n'agamba waliyo abasajja oba n'awulira nti mukwano gwe yafunayo omusajja ng'alina essente n'agamba ngenda ku dating app
oba siba bali bagetinga married naye bava ku app bikamule mabera n'omukisa gwe
so these apps ezaali badde mbi but abantu fenga feffe tuzifudde okubeera embi nti oli agendayo n'ekigendererwa ki oli agendayo ng'ayagala kufuna musajja alina ssente oli nagendayo ng'ayagala omusajja omuzungu oli nagendayo ng'ayagala omusajja eyakola ennyama
nga bye tukola wano mu fiziko mu ring
kati ng'abamu ku apps zino bo nabo balinayo ebigendererwa byabwe nti oli yagendayo ng'ayagala kiwali kina ku gunde ekyakula nekiwola ng'ono naye anoonya akawala akali skini ayagala akawala akali dark oli ayagala omuwala like buli omu ng'alina ensonga ze lwaki akola ki
agenzeeyo
so okugendayo okwogezeyo na kirala n'oli agenzeyo na kirala ne musinkana ono ebyamuleeta birala bya exploring ayagala amanye ayagala anyumya emboozi ye ng'erimu nti nalinako omunauganda nalinako omunakenya nalinako omusouth africa nalinako Rwanda nayitayo bano be bakola bano tebakola bali bayitawo bano tebayitawo so bwe musisinkana bwe mutenga buli omwe alina ekigendererwa kye mulemererwa okukwatagana awo laavu bwefiira era oli agamba
emboozi eyo Diamond asobola ginyumya bulungi
apps zino zijjudde abafere because obanaga apps zino sifunyeyo love because abantu beya meeting buli omu alina ebigendererwa
byanjawulo ya
oli agenda ku app ng'akoya abali physical naga kantrayinge keno ng'oli agenda ku app
ate ku physical omuntu atya agamba wayi kiwala kimmanyi kannindemuko app
neno Farida abere no physical nga mumanyi ali dating someone oba nga alina married nenga ku app ali single
nenga ate ku app ali single so apps zino zirinamu obulamu obuli somehow fake nti oli ajja kugamba ali single naye nga mbyaddala mufumbo ero mu bufumbo gyali tafunyeyo kyayagala
I've heard a story of a guy traveling from Busia okugenda meeting omukyala embalala namusanga nga ali lubuto lukulu naye nga adde nga amulimba nti ali single kyawano half
ate ne okola video call nja kukwatira wano
ate oli oyagala
kumpana obulungi kumbe mwana yandungu wazi
ate apps zino ziriko abantu abali lastful oba bwe bantu ziriko abantu abali lastful nga ye ng'ebyalavu yabivaako ddagojja ne laavu
actually most of them
ate aba alabye bingi alabye okuva eno alabye okuva bwe yali nga muvubuka kuva yali nga mutini because abamu ku abo banguwa okuva bwe yali nga mutini paka ku myaka 5 gyali mu plus
ate tokiwanvuya nnyo kubanga n'abavubuka gye bali
abavubuka nti onagambye abavubuka bakusasulira but anyway abavubuka gye bali naye abasinga okubeera ne lastful minds abamu bakadde bakulukulu be bakyasinza okugamba send me a photo of you nga kyamabeere goka nakusaba ekifaananyi nga
nga bujja downloadinga ku internet n'abusindika
n'abuteekako ekifaananyi kye waggulu
because we were actually a group that joined so nga buli omu bamugambye nga azo mbeera nkugambira okubanga ezo ziba zigenda kaluba wanakuba video kulaba live you know so nga zemanda I can't put up with such a person actually it's not even about mobile app me even when you're my partner why would we like see me live why do I have to send those things that's how things leak you know
so kati abantu aba bali lastful ye ekimutwala ku app eyo kulaba kuliisa maaso kati omuntu yali lastful talina love mu ye gojja kugendayo omugweko nga ye kyayagala kyekyo and also we have girls abali oba desperate oba bali too desperate oba like baagala nnyo bo tebeefiira abamu ensi nabo baagivaako naagamba just bifaananyi obufaananyi naaweereza
olaba mwana bamukuba n'agamba but he loves me you like mbwankuba naye bw'amala okunkuba yeetonda
so kati apps zino gwe bw'ogendayo oluusi ng'ogenze kunoonyayo love emikisa gy'okufunayo love genda ne percentage ya 30% 70% gibalenga
awatali mukisa kwonoona budde kuyisa bivulu just kunaye ku exploring ogambe nange naliko ku app nensangayo bino na bino nti mu mboozi bwe baba baginyumiza olina woofiitinga naawe olinako ka experience kosobola okukola ki koyongereza koganze bwe naliyo nange nasangayo
naye nange ebinaliyoko
but buli omu mukama yamutondera omukisa gwe waalisanga laavuye because abantu era ajja kugamba twagenda mu kaabuyonjo ne mmusanga nga tuyisiŋŋanya mu lukuubo nze nali ngira nga yafuna nampa business card ne tutandikira olina gatwesinkana mu paaka nga tulwanira taxi ne tutula ne twolirana ku mutto gwe gumu ne tutandikira so nosanga nga bamu nabo mukama yabategekera
bajjasinkana ku lyanyi liri lyokoseza wali ku mulyango
no but nti apps nazo mukama yatonda nti wali abajjo sisinkanayo waliyo bebajja okufererayo
waliwo kwangisa gosije guli
omukisa gosije guli ofiira ku lisajja eriri lastful nga ddyo lyagala just kulaba nga oli bwerere lifune emirembe
ate gaagala obuwala obuto
bwe guli era bamu babuuza how old are you
no actually as you're feeling in but to feeling that
yes bakimanyi nti abamu bayaayo olimba emyaka gyo kati abamu actually n'ebibaleetera ddala okwagala okukulaba physically abayagala akakase kyalaba wali kyoli because oyinza okuba wamusindikira ngeno wakula n'oyola n'obalamanya naye nga wano mu byaddala
wayola buyozi
wakula so abamu abayagala kakasa
okula kwaliwaliriyani oyogera
wakula kati n'agamba wa abamu balina ebigendererwa ebirala nti abamu ayagala abamu balina reasons as to why they want to meet you in person abamu ayinza okuba nga munaye gwe mukisa gwafunye okwekolera kasaddaaka n'ogwa mu gaapu awo wakati
waliwo n'abeera nga bakikipinga online all the time nga you've heard of catfishing kati ng'oliye nga Teangel ndi muwala naye nga neefuula mulenzi ku the app so nga gwayogera olowooza oyogera na soulmate okumbe oyogera na muwala munno
anti kati apps ezimu bagenze kati bakikyusa okubanga bateekawo abantu abo bayite batya aba LGBT something people nti oliye oyogera olowooza oyogera na musajja kumbe olina mukazi okiraba
kubanga ye naakulaba era ngenda kugana nga siri interested mu muwala munna
actually there is a show that happens nga yaba catfish because there are catfish are happening physically usually they're on dating apps ever babereyo and trust me these cases are many in the DSTV ateka on a show nti catfish ebeerawo ne airing and all that and these things are happening one night ogenda kubanga goliyo nga gogamba simanjogana omuntu before how can you be there and you don't video call someone you love you know ngogana no mutekamu ne sente atuka na class mayanga something has happened an emergency do you have this amount of money help me that I'll pay you back nozi musindikira nataziza na blocking na champia na damula kwa nga muntu mulala
nako
olaba Teangel ne bino ebya smart video calling atukola ki abantu balina emitiba gye tutamanyi ate ogwo lijja gubikula ogulabe ntoke wano ku mwezi bwe gutateekateeka okukola bwati ne bwati no abantu ba pretenders someone is pretending nga akulaga nti ali genuine ne mwogerezeganya ate abasajja babalina omuze kasita amanya wakwata bwati n'ovunnama awo wenyini waayita bwamanya nti oyagala nnyo okuwaana ajja kuwaana ku makya mu ttuntu buli dakiika aba akuwaana bwamanya nti oyagala nnyo sente ajja ziteekamu naye nga alina ekigendererwa ajja zikuwa ne bwe zinaba si nnyingi nnyo naye nga afuuwa okulaba nga at least akatono alina bw'akanyiga awo wennyini nga wovunnamira oba bw'abanga agamba bw'amanya nti oke gwe ekigendererwa ki wali oyagala musajja nga muzungu n'aba nga ye muzungu azze aga ye wano ndidde nsaba bulungi nnyo ngenda kulya nzikute okiraba so ebigendererwa by'abantu abali ku apps zino
waliwo engeri abaana abawala abaddugavu gye tugwirana n'abazungu ne tukisusa
anti kati obuzibu society bwetu bwe yakitembeeta olaba Teangel olwaki ngamba society nti omuntu ne bw'abanga mufirika naye nga sikini ye enjeru
ayina engeri gye yeewandikira
kubeera waggulu fenna tuli bafiri
olaba omuwala omwe abeera nga just she's light skinned n'abeera nga atava mu webale Uganda
yeewandikira
naye nga just mweru bwe I'm a half caste. Okakaranga Yesu Rwanda
ekimusalo kyamunyerere
Abera always light skin. Abala bali light skin do man. Why are people bleaching in the first place? Why do you think people are bleaching? They feel like atwa gamba teri mu mweru mubi. That's what they believe.
Mbuyadde kongo mu byomweru.
Thank you. In the right now, anyway, unless I'm out of a relationship with her, which I don't expect. But if I was, it's not like I would specifically look for a height. Ngawe nalimbu ku campus. Kwa ku campus when I took it nga I feel like Ugandans lie a lot. Nga pulira just abalenzi bali
nga abazungu amazima gaba tulukuka.
And for no, not necessarily ngaba tulukuka, but for some reasons whites are frank, to be honest. Omuzungu tagenda, it's very hard. Yes, jebali, but it's very hard okusanga omuzungu ku site nakugamba mbu I want to date you and we get married. Like Ugandan men will say everyone dates you as if they want to marry you. I frank with you. Me, I am divorced. I have a family, which I don't look forward to having more kids. So it's on you to stay or to move on. Which is with Ugandans. So I went there just someone who is frank, like to know this person. Me, anyway, I want to date you, probably just for sex. Which is muna Uganda tajja kulaga mbi kyekigendererwa ayinza nokulaga yi muna you believe in sex after marriage na kutereka nenga yeba kanene abakuli eno wabali you get it, which is white akugambira muna me I want to date for sex, so if you can't you all go your way. So I think that's why most of our people get whites. I don't know that I've had conversations from abana bawala ngulanga omwana omusayo mutabika aberanyirira maleto
ebyana the product
the product eva so ngoli yetafayo kuzairo.
I agree.
Which and most times bazunga not even pure naye so okuzala mwana
olaba tulina wano maleto
ina maleto
olaba na waneno abaana babeerawo n'ebirooto byabwe nga gabwefuna omuzungu empapula zangu
bagamba mwana agira ku child support, but just remind you omuzungu asobola okuzala munakujjako omwana we
anti bwaba mutwala eri ate
agenda naye by the way
okanya kulya mbu ali mu Los Angeles awo mbu bwentuukawo sobola kubula okusinziira ku firimu zendabye mukwana wabuze eddaze mbabulira ogulidde abantu mu Los Angeles awo wakati awo
bad black abawubya
anita tabawubya ne katigwera bad black never kwa mugezi but abana bali bagenda batwala by the omuzungu abata kuina interest, he can just take his child because I mean yakudetya tayagala he wanted a child from you. So the basic
so because you never wanted a kid kati mufunye mundekere
mutwala nacha bataga kuwa child support. You get it, because for them at least why nature child support kwa bad black yatugambye no mundugavu owa kimuswaga is it najira ko child support
nengo omwana yena yali badajira ko child support
which is with the Africans, most of them they don't may have a friend who is right now
bayinene ngombo omwana ngi ngoyagala mulabirire mukomyewe wange.
Thank you chitegera
ekisiru.
So yes, a lot is happening and abala beyinide nya abazungu because kale ekyawunisa the percentages bagala that kakala. That color.
No, most women think it is prestigious to date a white man.
No, it's no longer prestigious. Actually, it's
normal.
I have dated one and I feel like it's normal. Actually, I would choose even a black man over white. Honestly, no. Not because the person was bad or something, but it's beautiful. By the way, it's all about getting someone who will understand you. But between the cultures, cultures and differing. It's hard, by the way. You people, I want you to believe with me that different
cultures is
that is different from Muzungu.
What cultures is agala okwerirana. For example, Muganda no Musoga somehow bagala okwerirana culture wise. Bwowulira omunyankole n'omukiga somehow baagala okola ki okwerirana
nebwe omuhima yakututeeka ewaabwe
exactly hakati it is technically taking a white ngawona atwala nti omuhima n'omuganda kyekimu a white kwa kati ogenda gamba balina okukola
bakugeya bakula ng'oliawo
omuzungu ewaabwe kusimba kusafuma kukuwapeta tagenda kudda musumala leeta ebintu ewammwe simayanga biki ebintu batono ababikola yes
abamu yeewaayo n'agamba no omuntu gwengendo otwala obuwangwa we buli bwe buti era kyova abazungu bakkiriza najja eno ne bamwanjula ne balyoka beeyongerayo era abamu akubuuza what is this all about,
and most of them this
is that okiraba era abamu like abazungu abamu because ambagala nnyo ebintu by'okumanya ebyo amanye bino bitambula
okiraba so marriages z'obobozi ratinga ku 100 their survival survival rate eri kumeka
omuzungu wamulokola mu katuli kyagala manya divorce is the order of the day wow like teyemenya nga feno omuntu ajja sigala mbufumbo
kulwabana kulwabana
abazungu ebedda
kulwabana kulwabazadde nokuba community mwembeera
the problem
zengamba
abantu abamu bagenda okudatinga ngolu ebintu omuntu tatunulidde ebintu bimu nti culture eno kintu kikulu nnyo naye ate abantu bakibuusa amaaso olaga why tujja kuyiiya tujja kutereeza tujja kukola ki n'otuukayo ne bigaana watwala muli asooka nga tomanyi nti omwana we asooka bakola ki bamutwala bwe liba lyejjiri wali olina lyokka ligenze okiraba so abantu bataaga okuteeka cultures nga tebanadeeti nga bateeka okiteeka ku mwanju bamanye nti okay culture eno gye tugendamu n'asobola na obufumbo bunaatambula because oyinza ogendayo gwe nga mwagalana ne family yo line kulemya obufumbo nekulemye edda nekulemye omusajja gw'obadde otutte anti kati byebyo bya family nti bali bajja kusosola because waliwo omuzungu like ng'odatinze omuntu n'agamba no it's okay okudatinga omuddugavu naye ng'ate muganda wa muddako nga tayagala muddugavu oba bazadde be nga so obufumbo obwo mukwano chances z'okusigalayo.
I remember story ya Irene Nambiru ne bawo omuzungu bajjanga ne bamu kwatako bwe batyo okulaba bavaako
nga bamunange nga balina those things nga basosola because waliwo abantu bamu abakyakiriza nti Africans tutaka tuva continent ndala
abantu abakulaba ne bajja bakukuba ebifaananyi azifu bakweyolera oli kya bulambuzi.
Okay, they're also civilized naye banamwe waliwo akantu akateebulizaayo
anti
anyway, we are still talking about the dating apps. Chenjagala kukiza yes abaddugavu gye bali ku dating apps naye abasinga bazungu. That's why tutadde nnyo essira ku bazungu because it's factual.
Nga bafirika nga baveeri nga naye nga baddugavu.
No, ne
abaddugavu n'abawano wenyini nyini abawa Kampala we from Uganda Kampala 32 years. I think naye nze ngamba nti abantu twetanire like tweyagalenga ffe. Can you take this?
No, why are we being racist here?
No, we are not being racist, but they are racists. We cannot erase it. So kakati okubalaga nti banaita tubetaaga nnyo tusoke tubalaga nti we can love ourselves ne twewasamu nga tetubanoonyeza. So they will respect us.
Abazungu aba
nzabuli lwenda bamuzungu ndaba ba missionaries.
Abazungu aba bakimanyi nti Africans baba dating because they want papers abamu babamanya nti they are dating us because they want money. That is why abamu ajja kujja akuwe kyayagala nenga naye nakyayagala.
Nze saagala kubeera mu relationship nga njeguya like you move on eggshells every time. No, waliwo ekisukka.
Anele tolina kusukka kweguya.
Waliwo ekisukka because you are dating for papers.
Oh yeah.
You will not you can't even say certain things because you will bend low. You bend low. Ne bwaba oggolo osirika.
Naye weekulira.
Atenze nabagana love y'oluzungu nze from Monday to Sunday sigisobola.
Oyomba n'otukana oyogerako n'Oluganda.
Ate okuyomba mu luzungu kumenya. Omuvumu omutwe omunene naye nga tajja kitegeera.
Ate like ne bw'obeera oyagala kusaagasaaga mera conversation ebeera too serious.
I follow a lot of people abali racial good abali dating a different races. I have a friend who is dating half Philippines, no, half Asian, half over European. No, yeah, mama we ava mu Asia, tata we ava mu US. So for her, she's from Rukunjili. And they have Baina YouTube channel and their love is like wow. But when you say wow, in the Katinga Zerabadeko site, because actually me and that friend of mine site, that was in COVID I know board on my Twitter, and she kept saying how disappointed she was with sites and all that. But then right now she's dating someone, we are meeting up with TikTok, and she's a whole fiancé, and their life is like wow. But when you look at it now, you know Gamba, why? yamuja ku TikTok naye kangende
ku TikTok.
Trust me, it won't work out. It can't. Like we said, buli omu abera n'omukisa gwe because now solo gamba no gamba akati mina abazungu no migana basinga kunganirawa. Chiba kunganira no gamba.
Bayina bu sports wane
I know them bichuwe macho and all that. So honestly,
wekibanga tekiri part of your journey to lead dating omuzungu. Don't stress. Nebo kibanga wekiri even if no sigala mu kazigoko. Ojja kuba otambula ngogenda ku mulimo omusange.
Yeah. That's true.
Bulombo mukama ina we amutondera wali sanga love.
Webale nnyo.
Wali sanga munere wange chaina bera buzu sandi genze ku site.
Wafumbidwa.
As a sawa yonda nawe. Anyway, we are still looking at
you know engagement ring to support Kakasi.
It's okay malagi Amina. So we are still looking at apps Zizimbye tutulia goloza Zizimbye love oba Zizimenye. Farida we are mentioning is langa anti for she thinks Zizimenye. Inze nange nganze because I've been there. Yes, there are good people there. But on the other hand, there are a lot of bad people there.
Ateba ine ngeri jeba jiramu jeba diluting am this whole thing of relationship. No, omuntu nakera ku machanga asindika sex messages all day.
Thank you. Yes, tezina morals. A lot of immorality is happening there, and it's not right.
Because imagine as depressed because bafuna experience eyo emwisi za ddala bubi.
Nanti mufunamu obutakanya na kublocking.
Abamba losing a self-esteem.
Toina wa musanga.
Losing a self-esteem because omusajja gwe wasooka okutwala oba yasooka okutwala ebintu tebyatambula bulungi n'alyoka akuvuma ekyalo kyonna. Okiraba? N'alyoka akuga toli kino togwanidde tokolotya gwange. Yes. Yeah. Ogambye wandi mubi. Olaba akinnyonnyodde bw'ato wandi mubi oba situukiridde. Most of the times we women twagala nnyo ne tukusatisfying nokuta not praising and
let's learn to prioritize ourselves by the way. You know that sometimes women we forget to prioritize ourselves.
And then this person sings praises. Oh, but you're so good. Oh, you're so good. Oh, you did it so well. Oh, I didn't expect this. Or I wasn't expecting this. Katinga febe twagala okuya naye oli n'agenda leeta ebintu nga biri negative. You didn't do anything. I even regret.
And sometimes there is a better way
spending a lot of money
negative comment, you know. Yes. There is a better way. You make me bother bus and you tell me. Here is the thing.
I was thinking about how the whole
thing. You know, yeah. And by the okay, whites mean sometimes. Okay, mean like
bafuka addicted because of like bafuka addicted nezo.
Apps, yes.
They are. Because actually, again, I got one person specifically. Like I tried, paka inafuna ko one person. Nemala ne Twitter ne chivako like and I have a friend who is even up to now. Na joining up to now. Yeah, ina neba twala nga bakosa translator to talk. Bitu bya kwogera ne translate.
Ne baluchusa ne baluza mu lulimi.
Technically.
So she takes everyone in China.
Exactly, she has dated Asians. Okay, no, I don't know if they have dated necessarily, but she has gone on dates with them because me the whole time has been
how do they communicate? Could date?
Yeah.
So take away some hi, how are you? I don't know more about you.
Yeah. Imagine how boring that can be, by the way.
I know.
So that those people that are very addicted because I said someone who said, Teddy's like, it's also someone who said, I had more than 3 dating apps, but I got disappointed there. That's true. A lot of disappointments.
Yes.
Banji bali very, very disappointed with dating apps because if you are so bila yosibyo sangayo. Nti abamu bagendayo after seeing some other person. Nga inacha afunyeyo. You don't just wake up one day ogenda ku dating app. Either someone has influenced you or inagwola byenga our story yenze nango wange namusanga kwa for introductions namusanga kutaida namusanga wa kati gweno gamba nange kangendeyo.
Ate abantu abamu waliwo abantu abamu abalina this thing of they don't respect abantu abagenze ku dating like ku sites ezo banamusanga
yes
like respect jakuwe bantu no
ayinge jakulaba wali tudde
abamu bakubulinga nogamba ne banange no nanonyayo ki oli abatacha
naye ndabuke nyambo besisinkana mu commenting abavuma mu 7
Bantu basinkana mu ngeri ezitategeerekeka. Bantu basinkana mu bifo byotabasuubira kusisi.
But anyway, if you can oba oli wa mutima mugumu nga gwe just say nani gabe let's be knowledgeable. Ofenga fa bakazi twatondebwa kwa to have that respect. like to have that respect going on. So at least why obogeze ku app watu gainze learn to respect yourself going on to manye change agala. Okay, this person is being naughty. Is it what I want in a man? You know, because is it what you're looking for? No.
Like someone a little vulgar.
And match that person, match someone else. Wagana mo block it's your phone.
Abambega mbasimanya this kind of banange ekigambo kigenze kino nyankijuki.
Toyina ngejo shinyonyola.
Mbuye like buli kintu kimuteekako bakyogera batya. Oh my god, ekigambo
kisabire
kwatwagalo kimanyi muye anything like ne bwakulabako bwati ateekako mangu ago. Anyway, ntakijjukira lwako kibuze
ateekako ki tuyiye ekigambo ekigenda wateekako ki
obwongo bwe buteekako.
So everything turns them on.
Hi, ochogede bulungi. Yes, everything turns them
your hair.
The
way you
on earth gets you don't anyhow.
Shimanga like oli nagamba okay nze nyizo oli ayinza kwanga aina hobby jayagala. Nagamba okay gwe hobby ejo yagala it turns me on. Like nagamba neba nayono nga
just tell them you're disgusting and walk away.
I've had that thing. Rakwandi kujukira the
I had this story. Someone said he met a girl and the only thing he liked about the girl were the fingers. Yes, like he confesses those fingers turn him on. Bulirwa mulaba. Bulirwa zirabo bana amujjukira bambi obugalo bw'omwana muwalwa.
What's that?
Ngabo uli amulubulu abantu ngutuna ba introvert ba ambivert and all that.
Ebintu osanga omuntu aba yamutuuka yamunnyikira muli musa
lwabugambe bwe bali mutemako.
Anyway,
ngabiye
after accident ongane bugenda kati nga falling out of love. By the way, I think we should learn to love genuinely. Seriously speaking, kati imagine if you like my hair about me and kera kwa God forbid nefuna a trending a chin konzinga kujja ko mvirizanyi, so will you fall out of love with me if it's about my fingers? If an accident never I kachezibera mvizenga zagala nefuna accident ongali wange nebabutemako, will you fall out of love with me because you know you don't have
no like
yeah, we are seeing
men
very
love
many failed relationships.
Like a man will love you for one particular thing.
But I like you because you're so slim. When I get jango nchawa
okulya nnyo kye kimusanyusa.
No like obuteko zaako zanga gamba bambi I like you because you are you. Wali abagala abeko zaako.
That's good. That's beautiful. Liking someone because of their character.
Can't I eat in peace?
Oli anali akenyanya nange njala emuluma bambi nakasosolako bwe kati nagamba amudani nange njala emuluma kati nasanga bambi omuntu atafaayo
ngaja atula nalanda malo kulanda
nagamba nzigenda kulisa fokana abengalo nga tafaayo.
Anyway, there are some comments, a few comments, and I think we have read all of them.
No.
Oh, while we are Brooke, time to let's say, but let me read Brooke's comment. He says, yes, dating apps are really good. People are now able to get partners through online. I mean, it's good. I agree, it is good.
Wali abafunyemu because online abana bafuniddeko ddala abaami oba abakyala nga batudde waka bali mu kufuma alina n'abaana era wali abagetinze disappointed.
And there are people who believe in these online dating and all that. So olinga ya chikiririzamu ne bwafunayo partner talina buzibu naye olinga
chikiririzamu just
yes oli bwaba tachikirizamu of course ne bwana akuteeke wakati
olunaku lw'eggulo luno simanyi kye tukozeewo mukulu Mayanja Robert Obusungu comment ye ya busungu. Sincerely, Ugandan girls are a complete assembled products. Hair made in Korea, eyebrows from Pakistan, bums from India, breasts from Senegal, Kwegamba, the Aryan skin angels.
Yo katabi affiliations ko Aryan skin to be mu church in Farida you're closing the back.
You're dating
the last
ngatumaliriza njagala okutumira ko my secretary mayalo Facebook. Bazde yangenatira okutuuka yamuba mwenda era kyemanyi njakera nga ntereddeyo message ngamba amanyo okumpadala ogamba onyuma munaye nkwagala nyade wagana okweyogerako
okukweyoleka
yadde yagana okuneeyoleka ayinza okubanga na muntu amanyi nga mbeera naye mu bulamu bwa bulijjo naye nga just ye yasalawo bambi love yagindagire ku Facebook. It is okay, thank you so Thank you so much. Mpozi, njagala okutegeeza abantu aba dating online. It doesn't matter where you are dating from, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Abantu bajja bangi mu inbox zaffe nga batukwana ku WhatsApp. Banaye mubeere nnyo beerindala. Like you be mubeere bagezigezi ng'obwana bw'emisota. Togenda like wenna ne weewaayo. You find out. Ask questions, kola ka background check. Omuntu tomala gagendaga mu meeting awantu wotategeera. Twekoleko ka security nga febe nyini feba kuumi baffe because no one is going to guard you. You guard your own self. Nalam bintu bya relationship. You guard your heart. No one is going to guard your heart. Only you can do it. So but dating online isn't bad for as long as you get the right person, because even in real life here omuntu omusanga physical nga is wrong. So it doesn't matter where you find your partner, for as long as they are the right people. Love is beautiful.
Love is beautiful. Lilian,
na tunoonya okumanya bw'otanoonya kumanya ojja tuukayo okola ensobi. Apsizina abantu ambaze bo bakitwala nga kinyumo gojja bitwala nga biri serious nga tomanyi nti naye wabeera y'abafere wabeera y'abayayi osanga omuntu nga munnaye nga amwegomba dda agenda akolaga obuyayi bw'otalabanga kotandika okwejjusa. So tunoonya okumanya ate like soma ku bintu bino, soma ku apps zino, soma ku bantu bano. Omuntu ekika ofunye wa ggwanga ki oba ofunye wa kika ki oba ofunye wa kabira ki omanyi olina tandikira olina kweyisa otya ate tani gwe okutuuka eri agambe wayita osobola kukola research kumanya ffe butya tweyisa okiwulidde. So tunoonya okumanya ne bw'oba ogenzeeyo egendayo naye munnange noonya okumanya omuntu oyo gw'ofunye at least manyaako ewaabwe beeyisa batya, eggwanga lyabwe beeyisa batya. It will help you.
Thank you so much, Lilian. Mubadde balabye birungi okuyenda we twatandikidde paka ne tukomye. Guys, catch you Monday on the Mighty Drive 8 a.m. We shall be here. See ya. Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome to the Snap Talk.
The alternative Digitalk. Real issues, real talk.